Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best wallpaper smoother is probably one of the most underrated tools in the world of DIY home improvement. If you've ever wrestled with air bubbles or unsightly creases while hanging wallpaper, you know the frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wallpaper smoothers, exploring their features, and helping you choose the perfect one to achieve a flawless finish every time. Number 5. Tiptopcarbon Wallpaper Kit for Peel and Stick. This versatile tool kit is designed to make wallpaper application a breeze. It's perfect for smoothing out creases and bubbles, ensuring a flawless finish. The red squeegee is your best friend when working with large surfaces. Its size and design make it easy to eliminate imperfections, leaving you with a professional look. The blue felt squeegee is simple to use and protects your wallpaper. The felt prevents scratches, ensuring a smooth and damage-free application process. The included knife features a comfortable grip and allows for precise cuts. With extra blades, you can maintain a sharp edge for all your trimming needs. This kit isn't just for wallpaper, it's great for contact paper, peel and stick projects, and more. It's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. What we like. This kit is a great starting point for any wallpaper project. It includes a red squeegee, perfect for smoothing out bubbles on large surfaces. If you're working with large areas or need a basic, reliable set, this is a solid choice. What people say. The functionality is phenomenal as the smoothing tools glide perfectly across contact paper and peel and stick wallpapers to eliminate air bubbles and create that flawless, professional finish I could never achieve before, and I love how the different tools in the kit handle various aspects of installation from initial placement to detailed edge work and corner smoothing. The tools were good quality and didn't feel cheap or like they would break. The utility knife worked great, and I was able to cut through my paper usually with one pass. Number 4. Art 3D Tool Kit for Wallpaper and Vinyl Backsplash. This kit includes a craft knife with extra blades, a red smoother, a blue smoother with soft felt, and a measuring tape. These are the basic tools you need to get started with your project. They are all designed to make your work easier. The red and blue squeegees are perfect for smoothing out any bubbles, creases, or gaps. They help you achieve a seamless and professional finish. Using these tools will make your project look fantastic. This kit is suitable for various applications, including wallpaper, vinyl backsplash tiles, and trimming projects. It's also great for vinyl wraps, window tinting, and glass film. It is a versatile tool for many DIY tasks. These tools are designed to be handy, portable, and safe to use. They are a great addition to any DIY project, making the job easier and more enjoyable. You'll find them very helpful. This product is for adult use only. The knife is very sharp, so please keep it out of the reach of children. Always handle the tools with care to avoid any injuries. What we like. This kit focuses on the essentials, including a craft knife and 2 different squeegees. These tools help you achieve a professional, seamless finish. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use kit that gets the job done, this one is for you. What people say. The included smoothing tool, squeegee, is perfectly rigid for applying the even, maximum pressure needed to fully activate the adhesive and instantly eliminate air bubbles and trapped seams. The precision utility knife and blades are crucial for making clean, tight cuts around outlets, corners, and trim that scissors simply can't achieve. These tools worked great for our project. They made installing super easy. The smoothers were perfect for edges and applying. Number 3. Rust-Oleum Zinsser 98012 12-inch Smoothing Brush. This smoothing brush is great for smoothing wall coverings and faux finishing. It helps you achieve a professional look with ease. This brush adds extra shine to your product. It's designed to give your projects a polished and refined finish. This product is manufactured in China. It is made with quality materials to ensure durability and performance. It's ideal for seam setting and smoothing wall coverings. This tool makes the job fast, easy, and neat. The 12-inch size covers large areas at one time. This helps you complete your projects more efficiently. This brush helps you achieve professional-looking results. It's a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. What we like. This brush is designed for smoothing wall coverings and achieving a professional finish. It covers large areas quickly and easily. If you like the idea of speed and efficiency, you should consider this. What people say. I installed 27 wide traditional wallpaper using this brush and it was very helpful. I had not installed wallpaper using adhesive in a long time, but knew the 27 wide roll would be challenging with potentially gluey fingers. This brush was great as a smoothing brush. I was surprised how well it smoothed the bubbles and was firm enough to push the paper into the corners and edges. This brush is lightweight but very effective in eliminating bubbles and wrinkles and allowing the wallpaper to completely adhere to the wall. Especially helpful in corners and up against door and/or window frames. Bristles stay intact as well. Brush is firm and flexible when smoothing the wallpaper. Number 2. Wallpaper Tools Kit for Peel and Stick. This professional kit includes everything you need for flawless wallpaper application. It features tools for smoothing, trimming, and ensuring a bubble-free finish. With this kit, the process becomes much easier. The seam roller is designed for perfect smooth rolling. It's ideal for joints, edges, and corners. The ergonomic grip provides comfort and stability while you work with it. This squeegee smooths, seams, trims, and marks your wallpaper. It's made of durable material and includes a scale for precise marking. Its design helps to eliminate bubbles and imperfections. The large smoothing brush has an ergonomic handle and thick bristles. It easily removes air bubbles without tearing the paper. Using this brush ensures a smooth, professional finish. The premium paste brush is made with soft bristles and is easy to clean. The handle has a hook for convenient storage. It's perfect for applying adhesive and smoothing wallpaper quickly. This kit is perfect for various projects, including wallpaper installation and renovation. It saves you time and energy by providing all the necessary tools. You'll achieve professional results with ease. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of tools, including a double-head seam roller and a multi-purpose squeegee. These tools help you tackle various aspects of wallpapering. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to handle any wallpapering challenge, this is the one. What people say. The Wallpaper Smoother worked great for smoothing out the bubbles. It made the wallpaper application process much easier. This tool is a must-have for anyone installing wallpaper. Number 1. Wallpaper Smoothing Tool Kit, Multifunction 15 PCS Set. This multifunction tool kit is perfect for various applications. It includes everything you need for wallpaper application and more. It's a versatile solution for your projects. The sponge prevents wallpaper discoloration and is highly absorbent. The vinyl cutter is safe and convenient for cutting. This kit is designed for ease of use and practicality. The red squeegee is wear-resistant and non-deformable, while the blue smoother has smooth edges. These tools are designed to protect both the scraper and the wallpaper. They are built to last. The utility knife with replaceable blades is perfect for precise cutting. This kit is suitable for both beginners and professionals. It's great for wallpaper, woodwork, and more. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for any quality issues. If you're not satisfied, you can get a refund or replacement. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This kit includes a variety of tools, like a sponge and vinyl cutter, designed for safety and practicality. The materials are also durable and environmentally friendly. If you have a project where safety and durability are key, you should consider this. What people say. The Wallpaper Smoother worked great. It smoothed out the bubbles and wrinkles in the wallpaper. This tool is a must-have for anyone installing wallpaper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.